Besides stimulating abscission, what other effect does ethylene have on buds, seeds, and storage organs? A. It promotes their growth. B. It breaks their dormancy. C. It increases their water retention. D. It induces flowering. The correct answer is B. It breaks their dormancy. What specific component of dissolved air do fish extract to survive? A. All gases equally. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is D. Oxygen. What is an effect of current flow in electric circuits? A. Melting effect. B. Freezing effect. C. Cooling effect. D. Heating effect. The correct answer is D. Heating effect. What is protected by a fuse when an electric current causes an overload? A. The circuit breaker and the switch. B. The power source and the fuse itself. C. The electrical appliances and the wiring. D. Only the user from electric shock. The correct answer is C. The electrical appliances and the wiring. What remains constant throughout a series circuit? A. Current, I. B. Resistance, R. C. Power, P. D. Or voltage, V. The correct answer is A. Current, I. Where are adult stem cells found? A. In neonatal and adult individuals. B. Only in the blastocyst. C. Only in the umbilical cord. D. Only in amniotic fluid. The correct answer is A. In neonatal and adult individuals. What did alchemists believe they could create from base metals? A. Noble metals. B. Steel alloys. C. Non-precious alloys. D. Rare earth elements. The correct answer is A. Noble metals. What type of electrons are not involved in bonding? A. Core electrons. B. Shared electrons. C. Ionic electrons. D. Valence electrons. The correct answer is D. Valence electrons. What is the causative agent of Tikka disease in groundnut? A. Claviceps purpurea. B. Cercospora personata. C. Microsporum furfur. D. Trichophyton sp. The correct answer is B. Cercospora personata. In a typical distillation setup, what is the purpose of the water condenser? A. To cool the vapors back into liquid. B. To separate immiscible liquids. C. To heat the liquid sample. D. To measure the temperature. The correct answer is A. To cool the vapors back into liquid. Why is the velocity of a sound wave maximum in solids? A. Solids have smaller particles. B. Solids are more elastic in nature. C. Solids have lower temperatures. D. Solids are less dense than liquids and gases. The correct answer is B. Solids are more elastic in nature. What is one factor that influences the difference between a low-pitch sound and a high-pitch sound? A. Frequency. B. Amplitude. C. Intensity. D. Timbre. The correct answer is A. Frequency. What is another name for materials that are poor conductors of electricity? A. Conductors. B. Superconductors. C. Insulators. D. Semiconductors. The correct answer is C. Insulators. Besides vision, What is another function of the human eye? A. Maintaining the biological clock. B. Pumping blood throughout the body. C. Digesting nutrients. D. Regulating body temperature. The correct answer is A. Maintaining the biological clock. What is ligated in a tubectomy? A. Vas deferens. B. Uterus. C. Urethra. D. Fallopian tubes. The correct answer is D. Fallopian tubes. What is the common tube formed by the union of the urinary bladder and the vagina? A. Urinogenital canal. B. Vulva. C. Vagina. D. Perineal gland. The correct answer is A. Urinogenital canal. What part of the eye is described as transparent, biconvex, and adjustable? A. Cornea. B. Retina. C. Iris. D. Lens. The correct answer is D. Lens. What type of compounds are produced due to carbon's versatility and different functional groups? A. Coordination compounds. B. Ionic compounds. C. Organic compounds with varied configurations. D. Inorganic compounds. The correct answer is C. Organic compounds with varied configurations. What floats in the air at higher altitudes? A. Dust particles. B. Water droplets. C. Ice crystals. D. Or water vapor. The correct answer is B. Water droplets. What contributes to the widespread use of synthetic fibers? A. Their limited availability. B. Their high cost of production. C. Their inability to be dyed in various colors. D. Their durability and affordability. The correct answer is D. Their durability and affordability. Atlas 66 is a protein-rich variety of which crop? A. Lady's finger. B. Madge. C. Wheat. D. Flat bean. The correct answer is C. Wheat. What physical quantity is conserved in a system where M1V1 plus M2V2 is equal to M1U1 plus M2U2 holds true? A. Velocity. B. Force. C. Acceleration. D. Momentum. The correct answer is D. Momentum. Besides ponds and puddles, what other source mentioned is usually fresh water? A. Estuaries. B. Bays. C. Gulfs. D. River. The correct answer is D. River. Which component of xylem provides mechanical support to the plant body? A. Xylem as a whole structure. B. Xylem vessels. C. Xylem parenchyma. D. Xylem tracheids. The correct answer is A. Xylem as a whole structure. What are the necessary inputs from the environment for photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide and water. B. Food and oxygen. C. Sunlight and chlorophyll. D. Chlorophyll and oxygen. The correct answer is A. Carbon dioxide and water. What type of acid contains a relatively large amount of acid dissolved in a solvent? A. Strong acid. B. Weak acid. C. Dilute acid. D. Concentrated acid. The correct answer is D. Concentrated acid. What type of reaction produces salt and water? A. Oxidation reaction. B. Neutralization reaction. C. Reduction reaction. D. Combustion reaction. The correct answer is B. Neutralization reaction. What is the convention for distances measured against the direction of incident light? A. They are taken as 0. B. They are taken as negative. C. They are disregarded. D. They are taken as positive. The correct answer is B. They are taken as negative. What button allows exploration of the atomic level process of photosynthesis? A. Atomic shuffle. B. Replay. C. Next. D. The cycle. The correct answer is A. Atomic shuffle. Where are inorganic acids prepared from? A. Plants. B. Living things. C. Animals. D. Rocks and minerals. The correct answer is D. Rocks and minerals. How did you score?